Hey everyone, it's grocery haul day. We have 2 things from Walmart and the rest is from Aldi's. Most of the food here is to go with food that we had stocked up in our freezer during the warmer months, and now as we're approaching March, we're kind of just finishing off the food in there, letting our deep freeze thaw, and just going through what we have and adding a couple of fresh things here and there as we go. So starting with Walmart, the 2 things that I have are the Italian sweet cream coffee creamer and the blueberry cobbler coffee creamer. Yes, Aldi's has coffee creamer, but I prefer... That would be Matt letting me know he's probably off work. That would be my 2 preferred coffee creamers though, or the 2 flavors I prefer, and Aldi's does not have blueberry. Yes, that is Matt letting me know that he's coming off work. So let's finish up quickly. 4 bags of the California medley vegetables, 1 container of sour cream, 1 lactose-free milk from a lactose-free child, 1 gallon of 2% milk. We are doing 1 dessert this weekend, or for tonight for Pizza Friday, and they picked the sea salt caramel. It is a lighter ice cream. Normally we don't buy lighter ice cream because it usually has like a lot of artificial sweetener in it. But we're going to just try it because they like the idea of the sea salt caramel. We also picked up 1 box of the unsalted butter because we've been going through a lot of baking stuff lately. Extra sharp cheddar cheese and the Italian dry salami is for Matt's lunches for this week. As well as, I've never seen these at our store before, but these are the Chef Wu ramen noodle cups. And this one is it is really hard for me for some reason. There it is. Roasted chicken flavor one. And then this one is the roasted beef flavor. And I'm going to try these and see if Matt likes them as well as he does the other brands that I usually buy him. Because I think possibly these were a little bit cheaper. And I'm hoping if they were, like all these will continue carrying these because we buy these a lot for his work in the cooler months. And then when we're traveling, these are really great too. Also, it has 20 grams of protein already in it, which that's a plus as well. What some of the other ones don't have. Strawberry preserves are for, I have no idea. I just knew we were almost out of jelly. It may go into oatmeal. It may go on peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I don't know yet. February is that weird time of year. Pho noodles. We have like 1 pack of these that have like seasoning in them. And it was not enough for our family. So we decided to go ahead and pick up another one. It says it has protein. Oh, make it yours with adding protein, vegetable, and broth. It's also gluten-free, which is really cool. But there's another thing that they are doing now that it says add broth to it. Aldi's now has a special section of Asian food where like they have like already made broths for like ramen and things like that. I thought that was really cool, like quick grab and go kind of things. 1 head of cabbage because my kids have actually been requesting cabbage and we haven't had any really a lot this winter. We usually do, so I decided to pick one up for them. 2 bags of restaurant style tortilla chips. One of the stock up items that I bought was stuff to make chili, so we're going to do chili Sunday, which is another reason why we have that sour cream over there. I may have to go back to the store and pick up some more shredded cheese over the weekend, but we'll see. 1 bunch of bananas, 2 bags of the bacon Caesar salad. I was going to do it with pizzas, but I think we're actually going to end up having this Asian chopped salad for lunch today. I don't know. We'll see what happens. They might end up if Matt's getting... Oh, Matt's off super early. So we may just go ahead and not do salad for lunch today, and then we'll do salad with the pizzas for dinner tonight. And then I've got some quick grab and go stuff that they can do for lunch today instead. The pizzas, they're kind of hard to see because I buried them. I'm trying to film in the new kitchen setup. I was using our deep freeze before and now I don't have that access. So the red one is a 3 meat. It's a thin crust, and then the traditional crust you can see right here is a supreme one. Those are our 2 favorites of them. And that is it for Aldi's and Walmart today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of our members, and we'll see you next time.